Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. So sometimes update can be harmful or update can be messed up your PC, right? So then you need to uninstall the updates. So in this video, I am going to show you how to uninstall the updates from your Windows PC or your Windows 10 or 11. So to do that, first of all, you have to open the start menu by clicking there, start, and click on these settings. After clicking on settings, you can see there are a lot of options and you just need to choose this one, Windows Update. After clicking on Windows Update, you can see there is the option in the bottom section, Windows Update History. So click on this, and from here you can see there is the option Windows uninstall update. If you click on there, uninstall update, it will uninstall your updates. So this will helpful, and this will help when something is messed up by the new installation. So here is how you can uninstall the updates. If you think this video was helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more video. I will see you in the next video.